The market of digital currencies has been a consistent fascination with merchants, individual financial backers, and institutional financial backers for a long while, and all the more critically, so in the new pandemic. The credit should be given to the advertised assumptions from government-issued types of money that couldn't endure for an extremely long period, going against the norm. Cryptographic forms of money have shown a remarkably obvious cost development, exhibiting enormous center-to-long-haul gains. This multitude of variables have been placed on a fundamental level by one response, the blockchain. With opportunity arrived cryptographic forms of money on the advanced guide with date-set achievements, and afterwards showed the beginning of Qtum. All the more generally perused is Qtum. The local token Qtum of the Qtum Convention is established on the standards of evidence of stake that is prestigious to be a brilliant agreement open-source blockchain stage with a Steam Move convention. One can say that it brings the most ideal scenario, Bitcoin and Ethereum in one chain, adding the advantages of DeFi applications. The Qtum stage additionally consolidates UTXO exchange models integrating the execution of brilliant agreement execution and dApps. Qtum, the quantum calling, with a particular goal of causing merchants to have a solid sense of reassurance and exchanges safer and executed with lightning-quick speed. Qtum drifted its own ICO in WAC 2017. With a generous increase, it raised $15 million. Despite the fact that in the early phase of the send-off, Qtum was an ETH20 token, later it moved to local blockchain being onboarded to mainnet. The steerage at the underpinning of the Qtum convention is Patrick Dye, who is a specialist in software engineering from Draper College and has made eminent commitments to different noted projects like Alibaba, Factom, VetChain, Bitsy Gathering, and Mailink prior to beginning Qtum in 2016. The other two prime supporters are the CTO and blockchain engineer Neil Mahai and lead designer Jordan Dukes. As a lead engineer, Steven Zhu is a lead designer of Qtum beginning around 2017 who was passed with Tencent and Microsoft, filling in as a product designer with a degree in PC Vision from the College of Chinese Foundation of Sciences. The Qtum project without a doubt has a first-class portion backing the venture with full help, including high-profile names like Bitcoin.com's Roger Ver and Jeremy Gardner, an early crypto financial backer turned skincare proficient, fellow benefactor of Forecast and Iron Blockchain Capital. Qtum roots and extension. Throughout some undefined time frame, the administration at Qtum understood the limit of BTC and ETH blockchains and chose to modify, making the Qtum token more hardy and interoperable in light of a legitimate concern for all clients, tending to the center issues of administration and cost-related viewpoints concerning confirmation of work system and trouble of interfacing shrewd agreements with genuine applications. Qtum has been a significant supporter of the improvement of disentangling two special innovations, Record Reflection Layer and Decentralized Administration Convention, rising up out of Bitcoin with a brilliant layer. The Record Reflection Layer coordinates the UTXO account layer propelled by Ethereum. It permits clients to construct applications and host them on virtual machines, including the Ethereum virtual machine and the x86 virtual machine. It additionally upholds the i686 guidance set in a few programming dialects like C, C++, Rust, and Python, making it exceptionally simple to adjust existing applications in order for Qtum. One more benefit with Decentralized Administration Convention is that one can change the center boundaries of the organization to foster shrewd agreements like block size and gas charges, and this doesn't need a hard fork, saving a ton of exertion and time. The whole local area of diggers, designers, and Qtum holders inside the whole environment are a necessary piece of blockchain administration, taking part through casting a ballot, adding to self-administration, overhauls, and cycle. Qtum value figure, market feeling. Going by the past value pattern in specialized examination, Qtum cost has stamped colossal development over the long run, which could be the essential justification for its prominence. The ongoing cost of Qtum remains at $7.22, with a market capitalization of $715,678,389.17. The 24 hours exchanging volume of Qtum remains at $178,493,092.94, with a coursing supply of 99,057,395 Qtum. The Qtum cost expectations made in view of past information and specialists determining the future cost of Qtum coins in the crypto market on different digital currency trades are summarized underneath. Qtum USD has a splendid future in front of it in 2022. With continuous advancements occurring inside the Qtum environment, we might see the cost of Qtum arrive at new levels. It might outperform its ongoing ATH at about $99.87 this year, assuming financial backers have concluded that Qtum is a beneficial interest in 2022, alongside standard digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. In view of our Qtum cost conjecture, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost expectation for 2027 is $30.14. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 434.39%. Qtum tokens have been showing moderate energy after the Qtum crash in May. The future cost of Qtum is anticipated at $8.97 following a year, as indicated by our Qtum cost expectation. Qtum USD forecasts. Toward the beginning of December 2022, the Qtum cost will be around $14.75, a greatest cost of $15.49, a base cost of $11.80 for December 2022. The typical Qtum cost for December 2022 is $13.65. In view of our Qtum gauge, the cost may be around $14.75 toward the finish of December 2022. Qtum value is by all accounts showing negative condition and not a bullish pattern. The bears will push Qtum cost fall, and the Qtum conjecture might make merchants sell Qtum cruising at $10.03, and that too with trouble. MACD marker reflects blended opinion as the MACD line and sign line are going to cover. Thus, the coin could exchange a comparative pattern for the close term prior to enlisting any precarious development. The outline has been determined for Qtum cost in view of its functionalities, unwavering quality, and security. A further effect on Qtum cost should be visible in light of the exchanging or putting exercises by financial backers in the long as well as present moment. How about we investigate the value expectations of this digital money for the impending years? Qtum Value Forecast 2022. Taking into account there is no gigantic unpredictability ahead for the cryptographic money market, Qtum will keep on insisting its situation as one of the significant attractions, as indicated by the ongoing cost developments, authentic information, and our Qtum figure. What's in store is brilliant for clients. They ought to put resources into Qtum crypto to acquire gigantic benefits as it would cross the $9.83 mark toward the finish of 2022. Qtum Value Forecast 2023. Qtum coin has laid out a dependable organization, and its blockchain innovation-based items might get mass reception over the long run. In light of our Qtum cost forecast information, the crypto could undoubtedly cross $11.70 toward the finish of 2023. This Qtum figure depends on different elements like verifiable information, current cost patterns, market cap, items, decentralized applications, and so forth. Qtum Value Forecast 2024. There are not many hypotheses going ahead for the Qtum crypto estimate. In view of our speculation council, a Qtum value expectation of around $11.37 is gauged for 2024. This gauge is absolutely founded on the essentials of Qtum and earlier cost information. According to the anticipated cost level, clients ought to put resources into this crypto to acquire powerful benefit in the long haul. Qtum Value Forecast 2025. The drive